Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to compare eBay product prices. Firstly, open eBay application on your device, and then in the search field, search for the item you're looking for. So for example, let it be some sneakers. And make sure that your search is specific by including model number, size or brand to get better results. But as you can see, I haven't mentioned that, so I will show you just for example. But here you need to search with model number, size or brand. When the search results appear, tap sort button at the top of your screen, and here you need to select lowest price plus shipping or highest price plus shipping to see the cheapest listings first or high-end versions of the product. So scroll down, scroll through the listings and check for differences in price, shipping cost, item condition and location of the seller. Tap on a few listings that seem similar. Okay, for example, I will write here exactly what shoes I'm looking for. So here you see two similar items. So open the product and compare the item description. So item description is here. You can open full description and pay attention to whether the seller includes some accessories, warranties or packaging, and also repeat the same process for the other item. Some listings may offer free shipping or some discounts, while others might charge more for the same item. Don't forget to check the condition of the item, so it could be new, used or refurbished. Sometimes used items are priced higher than the new ones, depending on demand and rarity of the item. But if you want to compare sold prices, so the items that are already sold, go back to the search page. So this is where we are, and tap on the filter icon, and now you should search for sold items, but I don't see it, but it should be definitely. Okay, probably for some items it's a little bit different. Okay, but if you have that sold items, it's very good to see, but if not, then okay. The sold category of the items shows you what similar products have actually sold for, so it's great for knowing the real market value. And also you can compare seller ratings too. Sometimes it's worth paying a little more for a trustworthy seller with faster shipping and better service. So that's basically how you can compare eBay product prices. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.